Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you deleted your photos from your iPhone or iPad and now you want to recover them, so how are you going to do it? Watch this video till the end, because in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can recover your deleted photos. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. So guys, I will open the Photos application on my device. You can follow the same step on iPhone as well. So if suppose you have deleted some of the photos by mistake maybe, or you did it intentionally and now you want to get back those photos, so how are you going to do it? So if you're lucky enough, if you deleted the photos not more than 30 days, so you can find them, tap on the menu option, and then you can go to recently deleted photos. Access this folder by providing your Touch ID. So from here, you can see if you have deleted the photos not more than 30 days ago, so you can find them in this folder. As you can see, every picture have the days remaining, like 29 days. Some of them have 22 days. So I actually deleted them 8 days ago. So you will find the photos here, and from here you can recover them. So how are you going to recover them? You can select by tapping here, and you can select multiple picture if you want to get them back, or you can do that one by one as well. Just like I open one of the picture, and from here you need to tap on recover and then tap on recover photos. So it will again be added to your photo library again as well. I will go here and you can find the same photo in the library here again. So guys, this is how you can recover the photos if you deleted it not more than 30 days ago. So you can recover them very easily. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.